Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out Form 8824. This form is crucial for reporting like-kind exchanges, allowing you to defer capital gains taxes. We'll cover the essential sections, ensuring you understand each step. This guide will help you accurately complete the form for both real and personal property exchanges, making the process straightforward and clear. First, you'll need to clearly identify both the property you gave up, known as the relinquished property, and the property you received in exchange, the replacement property. Be sure to include the acquisition and transfer dates for each. Accurate descriptions are vital, so provide specific details for both properties to ensure proper reporting on Form 8824. Next, we'll focus on the financial aspects. You'll need to calculate the adjusted basis of the property you relinquished. Then, determine the fair market value for both the relinquished and replacement properties. These figures are essential for computing any recognized gain and establishing the basis of your new property. This section ensures your tax deferral is correctly reported. Finally, it's important to address boot and liabilities. Boot refers to any cash or non-like-kind property you received in the exchange. You must also account for any liabilities you assumed or were relieved of. Understanding how these elements impact your recognized gain is key to accurately completing Form 8824 and ensuring compliance with tax regulations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.